How do I log into my SBC Global email account?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to guide you on how to log into your SBC Global email account. For those who aren't aware, sbcglobal.net is an online domain name that might be in your email address or in the email address of someone you know. SBC Global email accounts are managed by AT&T, the multinational conglomerate company.
What do you need to access your SBC Global email?
Before we begin, make sure you have your SBC Global email address and the associated password. If you have forgotten either of them, you will need to go through the recovery process, which we're not covering in this video.
How to access the login page?
Step 1. Open your preferred web browser. Step 2. In the address bar, type in currently.at.yahoo.com and press enter. AT&T has partnered with Yahoo, so this is the official portal for all AT&T services, including SBC Global Email.
How to log into your SBC Global email?
Step 3. On the page that opens up, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Mail icon. This will take you to the AT&T login page. Step 4. Here, enter your full SBC Global email address in the User ID field and your password in the Password field. Step 5. After you have entered your details, click on Sign In to access your email account.
What if you cannot log in?
If you're having trouble logging in, make sure the email address and password are entered correctly. Pay attention to case sensitivity in your password. If the problem persists, you may need to reset your password or contact AT&T support for further help. And that's it. Now you know how to log into your SBC Global email account. It's a pretty straightforward process once you know which site to go to. We hope this video was helpful and cleared your doubts. If you have more questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.